About a month ago, I posted a video on TikTok which ended up getting millions of views, and to this day I still get views and comments and new followers. Now, I'm not famous or anything, but I think that's a solid start for an artist who is afraid to put themselves out there. And what's even more exciting is that some people reached out to me to buy my product. Although I wasn't trying to sell anything or promote, it's just people liked my art so much. I didn't even expect to get so much support. For now, I have almost reached 5k followers and it keeps growing every day, which I see as a big success, and that is the reason why I think every artist should try to post on TikTok, because it will give you some sort of confidence that people at least like what you are doing. Because honestly, I wasn't sure if people would actually buy it and where. In this video I want to share the strategy which I figured out how it works and why my TikTok account kind of stopped working for me after some time. So if you've been afraid to share your work, this might be your sign to finally start to. I already had a TikTok account which wasn't really active. I've been posting here and there, but it wasn't one specific topic because I'm a multi-passionate person and I like to post about everything I do, which is not good for TikTok because the very first thing you need to remember is that you need to pick one topic and one niche inside that topic. So for me it was fashion, because I'm a fashion design student. Even though I'm also doing photography, graphic design, filming and so many other things, I also love traveling and I love posting about it. But if you want to grow on TikTok, you need to just choose one niche, because people have a short attention span and they will only remember you for that video you went viral for. So shortly, there is a trendy topic on TikTok which is pellet talk. There is this trendy aesthetic of pellet, and I was simply very lucky that I got this assignment at school that made me post this TikTok in like 5 seconds. This one, basically. Our teacher gave us point shoes and said do something fun to them. I already had an idea before posting that TikTok, so I think the reason why it got so popular, there are 2 main reasons. First of all, it is connected to pellet, and there even exists separate hashtag for it, which I didn't even use in this video, although the right people found it. And the second reason is that I gave people space where they can share their imagination. And yeah, people just kept commenting and that kept making me go even more viral. The people that were interested in what I did, they kept checking out my profile if I already posted the results. That's how I started to get my first followers. So when that happened, I kept posting in the very same style and topic. You can even see how videos are aligned in the same aesthetic. So I created an image online, which obviously is not 100% of what I'm creating. It was working for TikTok because obviously, as I said before, it is one niche, one aesthetic, and people follow you for that specific reason. Don't forget to answer the comments and also refer to your viral videos. I think that's the psychology of people on TikTok. If they saw you going viral but they didn't see the video itself, they will be like, oh my god, it must be good if it went viral, I need to check it out. So they will check out your profile anyways and put some likes on your videos. Maybe they will not follow you, but they will do these very important actions that will bring you even more views. I'm gonna share the moment where things started to go a bit wrong and confusing. My life is not consisting only of fashion. So in this moment I decided to add more content, like me doing photography or me filming, which wasn't really working as well as it used to for the content that I initially got recognized for. So the checklist for aspiring artists is first, pick one niche that you want to post about, your art and your creations. Even though you're doing many things, then create 2 profiles, create 2 TikToks where you're gonna post separately. Continue doing content in the same aesthetic, style, maybe add some narrative. I didn't do it on TikTok because I was I was anxious to use my voice. If you have the confidence, you can do it.
Now that I'm editing, I forgot to mention that you should ask your audience for ideas and opinion, because that will make them comment even though you have no followers. Then keep the mystery alive by not showing the result right away, and don't be afraid to do something controversial, do something crazy, maybe even destroy something for the sake of, TikTok. But to be honest, I don't really support that side of social media.
I analyzed a few profiles of the creators that I'm watching. I would like to share, I think, 2 main directions where you can go to, but obviously if you have any other ideas, you can try it out. First one is, if you're scared to talk, if you're scared to speak, you're scared that somebody will find your profile, you can simply pick a trendy sound and write down something very catchy in a Gen Z way. You need to put a lot of effort into making things look beautiful and very appealing, because people don't actually get to understand who you are as a person without you talking or without you appearing in front of the camera. And the second direction, where you are showing what you are creating, but also you are using your face and your voice to explain what is happening in the video and why you are doing it. Why is the story so interesting for you, or why is this project so important to you? And in this case, I think you are free to neglect the aesthetic of your videos. But in the end, I think you should combine 2 of them, because it will just, you will blow up. I just know it. If you will combine these 2 things, people will watch you. Not only for the things that you are creating, but also for your energy and the person that you are. In the first weeks after I went viral, I tried to post almost every day, which was really working. Yeah, it was working, but you can burn out like that. So I kind of stopped posting after some time, but I still get new followers every morning, which I think is great, because you don't have to do much to continue growing, Basically, what you want to do here is just try things out. What works, what not. Maybe TikTok will not even work for you. This is basically why I'm on YouTube right now. So I really hope that my little story of my little success inspired you somehow. If you will take your art and TikTok seriously and will finally start to market yourself, you will grow even bigger. And I think this is it. So